Hi everyone, I am Shida. You watching the shopping channel. Please subscribe my channel for latest videos about mobile phone and gadgets. Today I am talking about Oppo F5 blue color. So let's take its review. This is blue color Oppo F5. Its price all over the world is $310 USA. This is its box. This is Oppo F5 blue. Nice color, full gloss body. Side frame is blue color, glossy blue. Power key, SIM card slot, charging connector, ringer, headphone connector, fingerprint scanner, rear camera. This is available in 4GB RAM. Fingerprint and face detection also. Its main theme is blue color. Its accessories are hand-free charger, data cable, leather blue color cover, (4GB RAM, 32GB internal memory). Let's take its camera review. Its camera is outclass. In front camera, bokeh effect is this is bokeh effect. You can blur your background picture. Thanks guys.